Luna and Kash.
Oh, hello there. Meet Tina. She is all set for her best friend birthday party. She is bringing her new dress. She plans a weekend sleepover at Anna's place. You know, girls do that a lot. Let's wake the others up. Knock knock, girls, wakey wakey. Hi, what's all the fuss about? Stop the drama, Anna. It's your birthday. Here comes Elsa. She's wearing her glittery dress. And check out her new dress as well. So elegant. And they are eagerly waiting for their friends to turn up. Hey Snowy, where are you? I'm here. Snowy brought a new dress too for the party. And here comes Luna. Wow, she looks so lovely in that dress, isn't she? And finally, here comes Sofia. You're late, Sofia.
Sorry, traffic jam.
Wait, what? We were literally from the same box. Okay, let's do a head count. Lola is wearing a white dress with a green trim, while Snowy with her sparkly white dress. Wow! Elsa looks so beautiful in a dark blue dress.
Blue is the color of magic.
And Anna, the birthday girl, looks very confident in her light blue dress and her matchy dark blue new dress. So cute. Finally, Tina and Sofia. Oh, I think they bought the dresses from the same store. Such a cutie they are. Finally, they are all set to go to Anna's beautiful country home.
Come on, let's go home. Today is your birthday, Anna. Thanks, Elsa. And we got presents.
Oh, that's nice.
Girls, get in. Let's go party. It's open now. Yay! And off they go. And so they arrive at Anna's beautiful country house. Dear friends, welcome to my house. Hey, Elsa. It's very clear to me now when Anna said it's an open house. What do you mean? There's only one door. The rest of the house is literally open. Oh, I see. Pizza delivery!
Hello, the pizza's here. Hooray!
The party went on and on and on until midnight. I take a look at your house? No, let me show you around. Let's start with the kitchen. My cooking is so fabulous. Even the smoke alarm cheers me on. Wow, that's a huge washing machine. My laundry room. 30 minutes washing and drying, putting it away 6 to 7 working days. Okay girls, the party's over. Let's wrap it up. Sofia, it's raining. Can you help me with the clothes? I'm coming! And Sofia managed to remove all the clothes before they get soaked. Okay, Anna, it's all done. So sweet, dear. Thank you. Anna, where's our room? Second floor to the right. Good night, dear. Thank you, Anna. Good night. And up they went. Snowy, I'm taking the top bunk. Night night. I need to remove the clothes first. Anyway, good night. What about me? I need to crash somewhere. Rola, you're sharing the bed with Anna. While Rola comfortably stretched herself, Anna went on with her pre-sleep routine. I can't sleep. Can I ask you something? What is it, Rola? Honeybees' hair are sticky. Why? Maybe because they use honeycomb? What? How am I supposed to know? Go to bed. The following day, girls trying out their new dresses.
Hey, wake up. Time to get dressed.
Oh, okay, I'll be done in a moment. Hurry, will you? Can't wait to try out our new dresses. And by the way, what for breakfast? Well, the menu says, let me see. Yesterday's leftover. Hurry, the girls are waiting. Okay, I'll be there in a flash. Oops. I'm done, girls. Coming down now. So much for your beat down like a fresh air. Anyway, you look gorgeous. Let's go. Okay, girls, welcome to my dressing room. This one, Anna, I feel sassy. Wow! This looks chic.